I don't think one championship is gonna change what I've done, really. You know what I mean? I remember after losing the 100 meters, someone said to me that, "You say don't worry, Muhammad Ali lost his last fight also, so don't be stressed about that." And for me, I've proven myself year in, year out throughout my whole career, and I don't think one championship or one race or the fact that I didn't end my last race is going to change the fact of what I've done in the sport. I think I've seen too many people retire and come back into the sport just to really make it worse or to shame themselves. So I personally feel now I won't be one of those persons to come back. So I want to thank you guys for everything, and thanks for being a part of this and watching my journey and helping me to build and so on and so forth. So I just want to thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks.
Ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,